An extra $500 coming into the household per month could really change a lot of situations for a lot of folks out there. According to recent studies, the average American spends over 5.5 hours a day on their smartphone and over 5 hours on the television. What if we could take a portion of that and have that start making you money? In this video, I am announcing Operation Survey Smash on my channel as well as my blog, where I can walk you through day-to-day, step-by-step, how to supplement your income without hardly changing any habits you have right now. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacob Billett. I'm the CEO of Billett Enterprises, and today is a Wealth Wednesday segment. It's a little bit different. I'm actually announcing a new project that I'll be doing for the next month that is going to show people that are interested in making supplemental income and bringing in some more money in their household a step-by-step guide of exactly how to do that. Now, if you haven't followed the Billett Army, which is my personal blog, which is aimed to weaponize your knowledge and give you resources to do better in life and in business, please do so. There's going to be a link in the description below, and I'll have it up here on one of these little tags that come out on these videos. So what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, how are we going to be able to do this? So there's a lot of scams online, right? There's a lot of disgenuine websites. There's a lot of broken websites. There's a lot of broken programs. A lot of people are promising things that are too good to be true. You might be thinking that on this video, but I've been doing stuff like this for a while. I've been building businesses, business development, and business and processes. And so the opportunities are out there. I think that there's just not a lot of resources that bring them together to streamline them and to guide them and give them a day-to-day insight about what was done, how it's going, how the payouts are, the whole 9 yards. So a lot of people, they get lost or they don't believe it or whichever. And so that's where I come in. So what I'm going to be doing is on my blog, I will be documenting day-to-day what I do and how much time I spend doing it and what my payouts are to equal $500 or more of supplemental income coming in using these things. So again, there's a ton of different sites that you can do this on. There's a ton of survey sites. There's a ton of rebate sites. It's really overwhelming. And so what I did is I actually have paid memberships, two different survey companies and rebate companies, etc. And I have access to a database. Now, I'm not requiring anybody to do that. That's something I'm doing for myself because, again, even the data that I'm paying for, a lot of these websites are broken or no longer in service, and there's a lot around it. And again, that would turn off even more people to do this. So what I'm doing is I'm coming in, I'm reviewing them, I'm vetting them myself, making sure everything is legit, and then how to, what's called stacking, how to stack some of these services, be it surveys, be it rebates and other programs, and to make them into a streamlined system that is literally a checkbox for people to go through what they, and do the things that they need to do using the website platforms that they need to do to start making money immediately. And that's the nice thing about like survey sites and rebate sites is that you go on Facebook and you share your opinion every day. You're not getting paid for that. They're actually taking your data and they're making money with it. So with these kind of websites, it actually monetizes what you're doing already. It monetizes TV that you're watching, so instead of, going online or streaming, whichever, I mean, definitely watch me on YouTube, but when you're folding laundry, doing whatever, you can actually watch TVs and be compensated for the ads that you see and the channels that you watch, and they pay you to do this, so there's a lot of things that are involved with this that a lot of people don't understand. So what I'm going to do is, again, lay it all out, and you can follow me for the next 30 days and see how I'm going to be able to make $500 or more using these things and me putting together a system for you that you can follow. So you can follow along with me day to day and do what I do. And again, we're going to qualify for different things, but in theory, that's supposed to work because with different demographics, geographical locations, There's things that you're going to qualify for that I won't, and things I'm going to qualify for that you won't. But the premise and the theory is the exact same. And then at the end, I will be putting together an ebook. And so that would be also available that you can go out and you can look at. And it's really going to be a step-by-step guide to the resource you need to supplement your income. So this is one of the easiest ways to bring in more money. However, it's not my favorite way because I'm a very, very busy guy. And so when it comes to the value of my time, the value of my time typically is more than what these surveys are paying me. But again, I'm not a stay-at-home. Like I run multiple companies, so there's a lot of stuff that I do that's a little bit better for my time. But again, it took me years to build my company, and it took me years to build these relationships that I'm making money off of, and these businesses that I manage, and the whole 9 yards. So a lot of people don't want to put that time in. A lot of people don't have the expertise, the knowledge, or the desire to build their own company. So this is a way for you to really kind of not change too much about what you're doing. You're just changing where you're going on your phone or on your TV to monetize kind of what you're already doing. And again, a lot of people have a lot of downtime, way more downtime than I do. So you can monetize your downtime instead of just scrolling through Facebook and doing whatever. You can take a survey here and there and share your opinion and get paid for it, or you can watch, certain TV and get paid for it, or scan receipts things that you buy anyways that will give you money back for doing that. Different research groups and studies. I mean, there's a lot out there that you can do. And so again, the purpose of Operation Survey Smash, which I just came up with like 10 minutes ago, is to guide you with that and help you supplement and make more money. And the goal is to hit 500 or more this month. I hope you guys join me. I will be doing a video at the end of this. I might be doing little clips here and there, kind of showing what I'm doing, but join the blog. The blog's completely free. You'll be able to follow it, get the information, resource that you need, and then you're always welcome to connect with me on social media, to ask me questions as I walk you through it, and we can get this going and get more money back in your pocket and give your money just a little bit more muscle, which is why I'm here. So again, thank you for joining me on a Wealth Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and send this out. I'm going to go ahead and get started, update the blog. And again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me, and I will see you next time.